Hi everybody, I'm Stephanie from Gathered in the Kitchen. Thanks so much for joining me today for our crafting session. Today we are going to be making Christmas ornaments using little wooden circles and some furniture transfer designs from Dixie Belle. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so first up we are going to be using these wooden circles. These I actually purchased at Walmart for less than $2 for a pack of 6. They are just little wooden circles that we can adhere these transfers to easily. So I have various transfers here. I have, this one's the floral and romance transfer. I have a sunflower transfer. I have the embroidered lotus transfer, and I have the evergreen and holly. So I figured it would be fun just to make a couple different ornaments using some of these. I also have some sisal and a pair of scissors and a hot glue gun. So let's go ahead and start picking our designs and what we'll put on these ornaments. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out one of the wooden slices already. And I think for this first one, I would like to use this lotus transfer. So let's pull this out. You guys can purchase these transfers over on the Dixie Belle website. I'll make sure I leave a link. I am an affiliate, so if you use that, I do receive a little commission. But all of these opinions obviously are mine, and I love using these products. So, all right, let's see here. This is just a really pretty design. So, there are various designs inside of each packet here. Some of them are large, some are small. Let's see, this one. Oh gosh, this is beautiful. I love the navy blue in this and the green. I have a lot of green in my house, as you guys can see. And so, I think these will look really pretty. Let's see which one. I think I'm gonna do this one. Okay, so I'm just going to take my little wooden circle and line it up on there first. Yeah, that'll fit perfect. So what I'm gonna do is take a pair of scissors. First, I'm gonna put this on here so I kind of know. Let's see, let's maybe do this one. That's a little larger down here. And I'm going to cut out this transfer. Make sure that this white paper backing stays with the clear sheet. You don't want that to come off yet. So I'm going to just kind of cut around. Okay, set this aside and we're gonna roll this back up because I'm not gonna need this now. If this white paper comes off, your transfer will start sticking to other things that you don't want it to stick to, so be careful. All right, here we go. So now it's time to apply this transfer. So I'm gonna peel the paper away and just place this on this wooden slice disc. There we go. And it's not going to stick really until you start using this tongue compressor. That's what I call it, this little wooden stick that comes inside the package, and start pressing down. So we're going to go ahead and start. I think I like the placement of that. So now just roughly, but not too rough, very firmly, we're going to be pressing this design on here along the edges of this wooden circle. Now this particular design I picked does not actually cover the entire wood disc, which that's fine. It's okay. We can cut off some of this excess and put it on the bottom where it doesn't cover it. So now the trick for doing things like this where you're going over the edge is to actually fold the transfer down over the edge and then press. Otherwise, you can tear your design when you go to remove this plastic paper. So here we go. And this will just automatically tear or rip the design where you want it to be ripped, so you don't really have to cut it. Okay, let's see. I think we've got it on. You'll start to notice that the coloring will start to change along the edges. Let me see if I can get it to show on it. I can't really get it to show, but there, right here. You can see how that's a little darker there. So that means that the design is sticking to the wood piece. So we'll just carefully lift this up and peel it away, and there we go. Now all you have to do is come back and press along the edges of this design to make sure that if it wasn't secure all the way, it now is. There we go. And then you can always just gently take your finger and rub over the top of the design to make sure that it's all adhered. But here is our design now. That looks so good. Put it up here too. And now the way to finish this off to make it actually a hanger. Well, we could always decide if I wanted to put some of this excess down here. Maybe I'll do that. I've got a little extra of the design on here. I'm just gonna stick that down on this bottom to fill that space. and just press. Same thing I did before. And the curve, there we go. Now that space isn't so bare, and that looks better. You can kind of see that now I have a design right down here. So now to turn this into an ornament, what we're going to do is take this sisal that I have. We're going to just cut a little piece. This is probably about 7-8 inches. And what we're going to do is fold it in half and tie a knot at the bottom. And this is where we're going to place the glue to adhere this to the back of this slice. So pull tight, now it will look like that. So there's a little knot right there. What we do, flip this over, and I have the hot glue gun that's hopefully warm enough now. We'll place some glue on here and just adhere that on the back. Press, and there we go. Now we have a really cute little ornament that I'm sure a lot of people would love because it's so unique. You do not need to seal this at all. You can if you really choose to. Dixie Belle has some great products like gator hide that you can put over this, but this does not need to be sealed. This is perfect to hang on the tree or wherever you would like it to hang it right now. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and head on over to the blog for more tutorials using all of these products as well as other Dixie Belle products and many other crafts. So my blog is gatheredinthekitchen.com. Thank you guys again for watching and see you guys on the next video. Bye.